Infor Factory Track for CSI, Shop Floor Work Center Homepage Configuration. Shop Floor uses the Work Center Navigation Home as a central navigation page to perform shop floor activities. These activities are accessed through the 5 standard shop floor menus and the associated menu options or transaction icons. The 5 standard menus are always displayed on the left side of the home page. When an employee clicks on one of the menus, the center panel or area displays a list of transactions that the employee has access to and are related to that particular menu. The Work Center homepage configuration is used to make global changes to the Work Center navigation home that affects all users of shop floor. The configuration page allows a system administrator to change the sequence of the menu option where it's displayed in the list, the description, the icon, and if the menu option is active. These 4 parameters can be changed or updated on any menu option anytime and as often as needed. The configuration page also provides the administrator with the ability to create new menu options. When creating a new menu option, the administrator can specify the ERP type, the category, the menu sequence, the menu description, the action type, action name, upload an icon, and make the menu option active. The ERP type. This is the ERP that Factory Track is connected to. When using Shop Floor for CSI, the option Infor Cloud Suite Industrial should be used. This field can only be specified when a new menu option is created. Category. This is the category or the standard menu that the menu option should be displayed under. This field can only be specified when a new menu option is created. Menu sequence. This is a sequence or order that the menu option should be displayed. Menu description. This is the description of the menu option that is displayed under the menu. Action type. This is the action that the menu option should do. This is usually run form, so the menu option will open the form specified in the action name field. This field can only be specified when a new menu option is created. Action name. This is the action the option should perform. When the menu option is intended to run or open a form, the form name should be entered in the field. For example, ICSL start setup.ts is the form name for the start setup transaction. This could also be the name of a custom form. This field can only be specified when a new menu option is created. Upload an icon. Right-clicking on the menu icon field provides the option to load picture or remove picture. Active. This field indicates that the menu option is available for employees to use. When this is not checked, then the menu option will not be displayed on the home page. The configuration page also allows the administrator to delete a menu option if needed. Should be noted this is a permanent change and cannot be undone. The recommended way to remove menu options that are not needed or used is to set the active field as unchecked.